Hey, what's up, guys? Today I just want to do a quick unboxing for you of this Highy or Highy, not positive how you pronounce it, but garment rack. See, the box is fairly large, but it's light, um, wide, but kind of thin. So I'll lay it down, and it says on the top, please open it carefully. Don't open with a knife. I'm going to listen and carefully open it, but I'm still going to use a knife anyway. Okay, so there's a look at what's in the box. So couple pieces of styrofoam, get those out of the way. And then your assembly instructions. It's a fairly simple rack. It is packed pretty well. See, it has everything zip tied, has your casters and your hardware pack zip tied to part of the legs, the supports, whatever they are. I'm not positive yet. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Like I said, there's only like three sets of things that tie together, and then the hardware pack. So I think it's gonna be a really simple install. But again, I'll do that and um, check it out so you can see it.